Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. The very important part of PPC, Google, founder of digital marketing, the one of part. What are the top PPC advertising platform? Top pay-per-click advertising platform. Several platforms, popular platforms of PPC advertising solution, Google, Microsoft Bing, Facebook are among the most popular. Different type of ad platforms can show various results in the form of search, display, remarketing, and video on YouTube or Facebook, Instagram Reels. For the search and bill, we'll focus on the two programs that shows the most and cover all ad type, Google and Facebook. Number 1, Google Ads. Number 2, YouTube Ads. Number 3, Facebook Ad. Number 4, Instagram Ad. Number 5, Microsoft Ad. Number 6, TikTok. Number 7, LinkedIn. Number 8, Twitter. Again, presentation is step by step these ads on my videos. This video is long. Google ad. Google running Superman among search engine. It is the global popularity and unmatched. That's why the fees are higher for Google Ads paid advertising. Advertising bid to have there are display are several options, the product list or videos forecast on Google. There is an option of display ad on mobiles apps, videos and on search website, search partners. Google Ad, these the large pay-per-click platforms with Google processing the 99,000 plus search inquiry per second. There are great charge that you ad will get searched by your indeed audience result and customer profile. Google Ads is perfect for return the 500 companies and small business. There are Google Ads and guide on Google Ads. Number 2, YouTube. Number 2, YouTube. YouTube ads are a form of online advertising that allow business and investors to promote their products to service on the YouTube platforms. Those ads can take in several different forms including skippable video ad. Skippable video ads. These ads can be skipped after a great amount of time, tropical 5 seconds. They can be used to 60 seconds long. No skippable video ads. Their ads must be watched in full more than main. Videos can be views. There can up to 15 seconds long. Bumpers ad. There are short, no skippable ad that are 6 seconds or short in duration. Sponsor cards. There are small cards that appear on the video second duration. The videos are contain text information about the products on several bring advertising. Overlay ads. There are system transmission ad that appears on the lower point of videos. Advertising can target a specific audience based on factors such as demographic, interest, the behaviors. YouTube ads can be purchased on the cost per view (CPV), cost per click (CPC) based on advertising charges time that ad is viewed or click on. Facebook ads. Facebook ads all business and organization to promote their products or service on Facebook platform. That ad appears a news feed of Facebook user, the right hand columns and desktop side and stories selects on mobile. Type of Facebook ad increasing. Image and video ads. The ads cost is a single image or videos along with the short handle and call to action button. Number 2, Carol's ad. Carousel ad. This ad allows business to shows multiple image, videos, single ad. User can scroll through image or videos to learn more about the products or service being advertised. Slideshow ads. This ad allows business to create a video-like experience using multiple slide images. Interest experience ad. Instant experience ad. This ad all business to create image full creation Facebook ads. Collection ad. There's ad allows business to shows multiple products in single like and full the products. Advertise can create campaign that targeted demography, internet and local Facebook algorithm information shows that they are used to who most like interest in the products and service being delivered. Instagram ad. Instagram ad allows business and individual promote their product. The several on Instagram platform there are ad display in the from some which can using a newsfeed and look the similar. Number 1, photo set. There is ad uses single image photo product service. Number 2, video ads short videos promote and product service. Number 3, carousel ad. There are ad also business always business between fit multiple image video single ad around user store. Stories ad. There are ad Apple the stories and Instagram displays after 24 hours. GT. Instagram TV ads. Their ads appears and Instagram TV ads playing advertising can target a specific audience based on factors such as demography, internet behaviors. Instagram ads can be purchased on cost per throws, impression CPM, cost per click CPC based and advertising each change that is views click on. Microsoft ad. Microsoft advertising providing knowledge and being ad is advertising platform then enable business and individual create and run ads on Microsoft Bing search engine at Microsoft Advertising Network, which is the collection of website and apps and partners Microsoft shows. Advertising can be held platform different type of search and product shopping display and videos ad. TikTok. The present time very interesting and very effective platform on TikTok. TikTok ads always business and individual promote their product service. There are TikTok apps. These advertising and engage and great and errors including TikTok trends and challenge. TikTok offers several different types of ad including in-page ad, in-feed ad. Their full screen ads it main feed and apps can be each videos in brand taken ad, takeover ad. This the full screen ad approach which are open these apps and can be their videos and images. Hashtag change ad. Hashtag challenge ad. There are at each and their perfect and brand share hashtag challenge submit their own videos using the brand hashtag. The brand effective. There are specific effect on create brand can be used their own videos. Advertising can target a specific audience, forecast search and demography. Internet B2 TikTok ads can be purchased on cost per throws, impression, CPM, cost per clicks, CPC, etc. etc. Additional TikTok offers self-service platforms for some minimize and brace it. LinkedIn. LinkedIn ads is let business and individual promote their product or several on LinkedIn platform. They ads design search performance audience there are hope gain and builds can web and promote job. LinkedIn, which is the Microsoft offer different type of ad, sponsor content, sponsor email, sponsor job, display ad, dynamic ad. There are ad appends, user, news and look similar. LinkedIn 5 as categories: sponsor content, sponsor email, sponsor job, display, dynamic ad. Twitter ad always business and individual promote their product are several out of Twitter's platform and their ad design research views audience are used to generate lead, build our brand awareness and increase website traffic. The Twitter ads, the promote tweets, promote accounts, promote trends, website card, apps, installing card. So friends, I can nicely and write presentation my videos Google PPC advertising platform, top PPC advertising platform. I am again repeat: number 1 Google ads, number 2 YouTube, number 3 Facebook ad, number 4 Instagram ad, number 5 Microsoft ad, number 6 TikTok ads, number 7 LinkedIn, number 8 Twitter. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Please subscribe and comment your valuable comment. Thank you. Top PPC advertising pay-per-click advertising platform details information my videos and 30 minutes. Thank you. Best of luck.